I'm moving to Greece for 4 months. What do you think? Mom, you're not going to see your son for 4 months and he's in a different country. What do you think about that?
I'm sad.
Why are you sad?
I will miss you.
Just got out of security and we're going to Greece. Holy crap, it's happening. So I'm on the phone with people from my house. Guys, thank you so much. She's French. She can't hear me. But she's like the most French person I've ever seen. Look at the shoes, they're so shiny. Now I'm in Paris, and so I'm trying to bring you smiles to Paris, because I don't know how the Europeans are this smiles. Holy crap, that line of security is ridiculously long. But the two people that I just met, or just said goodbye to, are, well, they're going to Nigeria right now, and one of them is a professor, and then the wife is a businesswoman who sells liquor, and I was just like, what are the chances of meeting someone on an airplane who does that? It's fun. I just have to make a flight in 30 minutes. Let's pray and hope that I can do it. Look at it. Another big, long line. Today has been the day of long lines, let me tell you. I landed in Greece because everything is in Greek and I can't understand anything. Not that I can understand French when I was there, but I can't do it. So getting used to walking in public is just kind of weird. Well, that's also weird because I'm the only one taking the stairs. You know what? Happy lifestyle. And jet lagged like no other, because it is 12:30 a.m. and it's light out, and I'm so tired. I had 9 up to 11 hours of sleep. This is really weird. So here I am, in Greece, in a totally different country. Now, not only is Greece a travel destination, but it's also undergoing an economic crisis and a refugee crisis. And so I thought it'd be apt to show you where I live. So this is the balcony area, as you can see. We got a really nice table over here, and we got a door, and we got this really nice view. This view is so nice. That right there looks very Spanish-esque. There's an old man who's just talking on his cell phone, having a nice walk. You know, regular, chill. You know what else is chill? This freaking couch? What the heck? I'm just thinking, there's economic crisis going on here in Greece. They can't pay their debt, and I'm here living large. You haven't even seen everything. I'm not gonna talk to you while I'm showing you the inside, but look at this. Sometimes I feel like I stepped into an IKEA when I came here. And this is where I live. So I had to buy sheets from people in Greece, and so they decided to give us the lovely color of orange and red and a nice comforter. So this is it. That's pretty much it. I got my roommate over here who's from San Antonio, Texas, who's also Filipino, which is, what are the chances of that happening? They're pretty good, actually, if you pair us up. So